Imagine a weapon that can watch from the sky, follow its target for hours, and strike with deadly precision, all without putting a single pilot at risk. Just a few decades ago, this sounded like science fiction. Today, it is the reality of drone technology. The story of drones began quietly during the early Cold War. Military planners in the United States started experimenting with unmanned aircraft that could spy on enemy territory without risking human lives. At first, these machines were crude and unreliable. But the idea was revolutionary: aircraft that could fly, observe, and even attack without a pilot. Over the years, rapid advances in electronics, satellite navigation, and artificial intelligence transformed these early experiments into powerful flying robots. Drones became smaller, smarter, and far more capable. Soon, they were not just tools for surveillance, they became weapons. The world began to notice their true potential during modern conflicts. In the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war, drones have emerged as one of the most decisive technologies on the battlefield. Cheap, small drones can now track enemy movements, guide artillery strikes, and even destroy tanks worth millions of dollars. But the drone revolution is not limited to war. These flying machines are quietly transforming everyday life. Farmers now use drones to monitor crops and detect diseases across vast fields. Filmmakers capture cinematic aerial footage that once required expensive helicopters. Rescue teams use drones to search mountains, forests, and disaster zones where human access is nearly impossible. Tech companies are even testing drone delivery networks that could transport packages across cities within minutes. Countries like China have already begun experimenting with large-scale drone logistics systems that could redefine transportation. Yet, this powerful technology also raises difficult questions. If drones can watch anyone from the sky, what happens to privacy? If autonomous drones can identify and attack targets, who is responsible when something goes wrong? These questions are now at the center of global debates about the future of warfare, technology, and human control over machines. One thing is certain: drones are no longer just experimental gadgets. They have become one of the most influential technologies of the modern era. And as this silent revolution continues to unfold above our heads, the real mystery is not whether drones will shape the future, but just how powerful they might become.